think with anything, even in your life, you have to have a vision. What's our end goal? What do I want to see? Starting with 5 students, nurse aide, I always wanted to see, first of all, to be able to provide excellent education for the students. Our vision was to be premier. That's part of our vision statement, the premier healthcare institution providing that foundation for students. So you have to work at that every day. So that's part of your vision. And you can see that we formulated a mission and core values. And with the team, we know that every day we work towards that common vision. I've been from a school teacher up to the ladder of executive director in a school district and continue to educate myself. That I'm in a field that I'm able to provide that for the students is something that I love to do. It's something that I wake up every day and I have felt since I started as an educator, not as a job, but something that is a calling and a passion. I have a staff that's very passionate, whether it be in financial aid, whether it be in the business department, whether it be in the classroom. You see the staff working with a lot of passion. They love what they do. So that trickles down to the student, and that provides that environment, that environment of support, the environment of, you know what, we're going to do this together, we're going to accomplish this together. So I think that's what separates us. We're a little smaller, a culture, but it's been something that we've cultivated for years. You have to have that. You have to have that common vision, that common drive, and we work at it as a team day in and day out. I thought, I was on the path to becoming a superintendent. Like I said, God had a plan, ended up in a whole different realm of things, and knew that in this field, there wasn't an institution that was providing the support that the students needed for them to be successful. The other day I was walking through the hallways and some students were talking, and they were studying for NCLEX. And I say, you know what, you all are on target. I had seen their scores, and they say, you know what, we attribute it all to our teachers, our classrooms, which they're true. I do walkthroughs. I go through the classrooms. I give the teachers feedback, and I see the passion and the drive that they have to be able to bring that information to the students to make sure they are prepared. So I feel very blessed as an educator that I'm still in the field of education, a whole different field where it became a college. 10 years ago, we were a career school. Able to transpire that to a college was awesome. I never thought 10 years later, it's been a great experience. So I feel blessed to still be in the education field, still being able to provide that for students so that way that they can build on their future.